Thank you for giving me this chance. My name is IconAcademy. Now I'm going to tell you about the advantage of technology because it is more better or greater than its disadvantages. Way more better. Why are you saying that?
And thank you for giving me this chance. My name is Tamara, and now I'm going to tell you about advantages. And my topic about is disadvantages of technology. Why you say that the advantages of technology is way better? Tell me the reason.
There is a reason why I say that. It makes life more faster and easier. And if you say how, if you don't have to go to bank queues and you don't have to walk to the shoppings, you can just shop online. If you were working on your computer home and you cannot go outside because there's an important work, you work on your computer, you're typing, and then you can just deliver, pay online and just get it. That I don't know the reason why you say that disadvantage is better.
Well, the reason why I said the disadvantages of technology is way better or greater because there is a reason of that. Because it harms the environment. Old phones and batteries poison soil and water.
If you don't just trash it away like everything, and if you don't throw it like useless things, and if you use it, and if you use it again, and if you use it on the trash bins and go to the recycle bin and not recycle it, if it's not recycled, non-recycle it, and if it's recycled in the recycle bin, put it there. It will never pollute anything, and there will be a green and environmental place that tourists will come to visit.
Well, maybe technology will makes people lazy and dependent. Students use calculators instead of mental math, and rich people get phones or batteries, even fast internet, while poor students don't do that.
What do you guess for rich people to do then? Just sit down and do nothing? Like the poor persons? The poor persons can also work and get phones, and they can also get phones, and they can also get jobs with their phones online. They can make an interview online. But you say that it's better. You say if we were lazy bones, we're never going to be lazy. If we use it carefully and if we have our time usefully, if we use our time, it will never run out. And we will never get hurt again.